What's up, guys? Today we're going to be doing this 3x5 shower pan, and as you can see, the plumber left that 2-inch pipe, and we are going to be installing a 2-inch shower drain. And this is what it looks like. We're just gonna have to break that concrete around it so we can submerge this piece, this bottom part. All right, so we got some of the concrete out, about 3.5 inches below subfloor. We got it all done with this hammer and chisel. Not just joking. I got it out with this hammer. All right, let's cut that pipe and put that drain in. All right, we got the pipe cut down. As you can see, at the level, the subfloor is not that level. It's about a 1/8 off. But we got our pipe down 2 inches. Now we're gonna install this drain with the glue. Slides right in. Give it a twist, and it's set in. There you go. Ready for hot mop. One more thing before I get any comments. Level. Level. All right, guys, we got this shower pan done. There goes the drain. We're about to put the test cap. Tight corners. Tight corners. Tight corners all over the place. Now let's get this test cap on. Ready? Oh, look at that. Perfect. We'll let that sit for a while till it fills up and call it a day.